Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to delete stickers on iPhone. Stickers are a blast for spicing up your chats, but let's be honest, your collection can get out of hand fast. Maybe you have gone a little wild creating custom stickers from your favorite photos, or you have haunted by a sticker pack you downloaded on a whim, or perhaps you just want to tidy up and keep things simple. Whatever your sticker situation, iOS 18 and iPadOS 18 make it easier than ever to take control. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I'm going to tell you how to delete custom stickers in Messages on iPhone. To delete a single custom sticker, open the Messages app. Tap the plus button next to the text field. Next, choose Stickers. Make sure you are on the Live or Custom Stickers tab, not the Recent tab. You can't delete from there. Next, tap and hold the sticker you want to remove. Don't drag it. And then a menu will pop up and choose Delete. To delete multiple custom stickers at once, in the Stickers drawer, tap and hold any sticker. And then select Rearrange from the menu. Next, tap the minus icon next to each sticker you want to remove. Tap the background or any stickers to exit editing mode. That's it, your sticker library just got a lot lighter. If you use iCloud, these changes will sync across all your Apple devices. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to delete stickers from the emoji keyboard in other apps. Want to clean up stickers you see in other apps like WhatsApp or Instagram? For this, open the keyboard in any app that sports sticker. And then tap on the emoji icon. Tap the sticker icon, usually a folder sticker or similar symbol. Make sure you are not on the Recent tab, switch to your Custom Stickers tab. Next, tap and hold the sticker you want to remove. And then lift your finger. Next, tap Delete from the pop-up menu. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to delete or hide third-party sticker packs. While you can't remove individual stickers from the third-party packs, you can remove the whole pack or just hide it from the view. To delete a third-party sticker pack, open the Messages app. And then tap on the plus icon. Next, choose Stickers. Next, swipe through your stickers packs and tap Edit at the end of the list. Tap Edit again at the top left. Tap the minus icon next to the pack you want to delete and then tap Delete and confirm. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to disable stickers from the iPhone keyboard. If you are just not into stickers, you can turn them off entirely. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to General option. Next, scroll down and go to Keyboard. Next, scroll down and toggle off stickers. And you are done. I hope you find this video helpful to delete stickers on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.